We are here at Delta State Police Command, and this time we'll be parading 4 suspects. These 4 suspects, 2 of them, like they have said to me a while ago, that they are into the business of internet fraud. And according to him, that he wanted to join anti-court in the name of protecting himself. Well, I don't see any part of Nigerian laws that say you will go and empower yourself with weapons, prohibited firearms for that matter, because you want to protect yourself. Now, what they do is that he contacted one of the brother who is supposed to be an anti-court member and convinced him that they needed a weapon. The brother now contacted another gun runner who usually purchases rifle across the Niger. They bought these 2 pump-action guns at the cost of 1.5 million, 40,000. On their way back, after receiving these weapons, on their way back to Ugele, our policemen on stop and search duty flagged down their vehicle, and upon searching them, lo and behold, this is what we recover from them. One may say, oh, they are just scared. Scared of what? Now, they claim that they are into internet fraud. What happens when internet fraud stop paying them? What danger would this weapon pose to innocent residents who are in their houses? I want them, we will be interviewing them now, so that we will also hear from them, so that they can tell us how deep they have gone into this. What is your name?
My name is Roland.
Roland, you are from where?
I'm from Delta State.
Where in Delta?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia?
Yes.
Okay, I see. Just like you have said before, I just want to make our audience listen very well. What do you do for a living?
I do fraudster.
What is the fraudster? How do they do fraudster?
Internet fraudster.
Internet fraudster. What do they use to they do?
Now my phone they use.
Which kind of phone they use?
They use iPhone.
iPhone what?
iPhone 14.
iPhone 14?
Yes.
Okay. Your friend too, now what thing they do with that, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been to this business of internet fraud?
2001. 2021.
2021?
Yes.
Okay. Now that is a matter for another day. Now what we are discussing now is these weapons. How did you come about these weapons?
I came across armed robber in the night when I was coming from my village. I was going.
That is not the question I asked you. How you take buy this weapon?
Okay, I told my senior brother about it.
Who is your senior brother? Umukoro.
Yes.
What does he do for a living?
He's an anti-cultist.
Okay, so you tell him say.
I tell her say I want join anti-cultist.
Okay.
So he come tell me say if I want join anti-cultist, I go buy gun. Then he too come tell me say he no get. I come tell her say okay. Because say na he wan carry me along. I come tell her say okay, if I wan buy, you go carry me go there. I go buy one for her.
So now how much you send? Who you send the money to?
I send the money give Louis.
The one wey wear white?
Yes.
How much you send to am?
I send 1.540 give am.
Okay, where una for receive the gun?
Na for Ikwale.
For Kwale, now they bring the gun come give una?
Now we drive go Ikwale.
Go collect the gun?
Yes.
So as una dey go back, then police dey see una for road?
Yes.
Okay, so when police stop una, say they wan search you, how did you feel when they wan search una? I felt my brother is going to defend us because anti-court.
Yes.
Okay. Now that you have been caught, your eye don clear now. Say this thing you have done is illegal.
Yes, and I also learned not
even
to
the anti-court. You don't join the anti-court.
No, you tell me say after we just.
And when you buy gun, they go do that.
They go will do every.
Now you go. So who give you the shirt when you wear so?
Na my uncle na give me the shirt.
Why he give you the shirt?
I don't really know the name.
So that I go be like say you don't be member of anti-court. Okay, you see the reason why we keep saying for vigilantes to operate or for any anti-court formation to operate, they must always work in synergy with the DPO. The DPO is supposed to be in charge of whatever arms they are bearing, and the DPO is supposed to be the one that will release guns to them so that we will have some level of control. Now look at these 2 young guys that are not even up to 30 years carrying pop action. What do we do? What would they do if this their illegally way of making money cease? What would they do with this weapon? It becomes a danger to the society. Hence the need for intensive stop and search. When you see our policemen carrying out their legitimate duty on stop and search, please allow them to search. These are brand new pop action guns worth 1.5 million, 40,000. The man on white is the gun runner who they contact to supply them these weapons. The other one is an anti-court member. We are going to investigate him and investigate his so-called anti-court unit. Thank you. SPA Dafe Bright from Delta State Police Command. I, on behalf of the Commissioner of Police, want to parade these suspected kidnappers. I call them kidnappers because they work in conspiracy with kidnappers. What they do is they are always in touch with these kidnappers. Once they kidnap their victim and they are looking for where to send the ransom money to, they contact this first man here, who contact his friend to provide an account number where the ransom money will be sent to. After sending the money, they take their own commission, which I understand between the 15 to 40%. They take their own commission. They send back the balance to the kidnappers. We will be interviewing them now so that we will hear from them and see why it is very, very important to report cases of kidnapping, either before, during, or even after. Like I said, it is never too late to report a crime because the police work with every actionable, credible information that we have. We never relent, and this is just a proof that we never relent. What is your name?
Chimarijo Joshua.
Be audible.
Chimarijo Joshua Wamba.
You are from where?
I'm from Ebony State.
What is your name?
My name is Ezeli Vanyakachi.
You are from where?
Enugu State.
What is your name?
Mama Swalon Nadozen.
You are from where?
Enugu State.
What is your name?
Emmanuel Otubo.
You are from where?
Ebony State.
Okay, you know why we are here. Now, how did you get in contact with this? How did you come to know these kidnappers? Be very brief. No, stress me.
No. So, he's from the...
What is his name?
Maswell.
Okay, now he links you to them.
Yes.
Or is the one communicating with them?
He communicates with them. So, the time when they want to provide their account, he come now tell me, say, make I...
Provide that account.
Yes.
So how many times you don't put money for your account?
3 times.
3 times. The first one, how much?
No, 3.6 million.
3.6 million naira ransom. The second one, how much?
4.3.
The third one?
200,000.
Okay, the first 3.6, how much be your own inside?
Yeah, 530.
530,000.
Yes.
Okay, the second one, okay, so that's like 15%.
Yes.
Now you dey collect. So one I don't collect on a 15%. Yeah, now they send the remaining one too.
Nah, I will send them to Maswell account and Maswell will give them to
them.
Yes.
Okay, so now Maswell be this.
Yes.
Okay. How long have you known Maswell?
Now from almost getting to 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Did Maswell tell you that the money they are sending to your account are money for kidnapping ransom?
Yes.
He tell you say na kidnappers they deal with.
Yes.
So na money when they won't collect from people when they kidnap they put for your account.
Yes.
So if now you they do that kind of thing, how will you feel?
So I will not feel fine. I will not be okay, sir.
Okay. So you don't see the implication of crime now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So you collect 15%, you send them the balance.
Yes.
Then the remaining that 15%, that one until they share.
You use na company we use build into cryptocurrency.
Oh, una they put and they invest into crypto.
You use build company, use invest as in build company, work a company you want to use to.
So where is the company now?
Nah, it's just a website, sir.
Now website. Now they use and build the website.
Yes.
Okay, how much una get for the website now?
We never work, we never bomb any.
Okay, now who they build the website for now?
Now one guy name is Collins, he dey stay for Enugu State.
So wetin make una dey build the website? Wetin una want dey use that website do?
Now wetin we use the work as in normal work with the press phone.
Which kind of work now?
Now into internet fraudsters, sir.
Oh, internet fraud.
Yes.
Okay. I believe our audience are listening to what you are saying now. So from kidnapping for ransom, collecting ransom money, you are now building a website where you will now migrate fully into internet fraud.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
You see why the government is always against crypto. Una go dey vex say government dey fight against crypto. You see what you guys are doing. Well, I'm done with you. Just tell me briefly, how did you know those people when they contact you for this money?
First, and we are living
in the same street before.
What be the person name?
Ife.
Open your mouth.
Ife.
Ife.
Yes, sir.
Okay, una dey stay the same street before. For where?
For Oduke.
For
at
Oduke.
Onitsha. Yes, sir.
For Oduke for Onitsha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when it contest start to dey contact you to give am account number?
No, the time we are living at the same street, we are still small.
Okay.
So this time around, where we do the
Come, you are wasting my time. Talk.
this time around, I don't know where he's living.
When he first take call you, say make you send am account number, say they wan put kidnapping money there. When was the
Okay.
first time?
On May,
When?
April.
April. Okay, April. How many times now you don send am account number?
how many times? I'm not the one that's sending the account.
Okay, you no get that record. Okay, how you take dey send the money back to them after na don collect una percentage?
We will give it to cash. We will bring cash from the POS.
You go use POS take withdraw the
Yes,
cash.
sir.
So you see why I always talk about POS not releasing ridiculous amount at their point of sales. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to our listeners. It's very, very dangerous for POS to be releasing huge amounts. You see how they withdraw this kidnapping, this ransom money and give back to these kidnappers in order to avoid traces. But we have our ways and we know how we work with them. So this is what we're always talking about. This is a lesson and also a motivation to our listeners, particularly residents in Delta State. We should trust the police. I always say it is not too late to report a crime. You can report in 3 stages, either before, during, and even after. If it has happened, don't say, hey, it has happened, I don't want to report. Still report, because taking these ones out of the society is a plus to us as a people. There are others that we will not be parading for the purpose of investigation. I would have brought all of them out. But you see, the fact that this particular person reported to the command, you see what it has led to. We were able to trace all of them, get them. This is a syndicate of people that are conspiring with kidnappers just to collect ransom money in the name of collecting 15%. And they said they are building a crypto website to extort, to go into fraud. It made it very, very clear. So we must come together as a people to discourage every form of crime by trusting the police and reporting to the police. Thank you.